to me? Would you be Messiah to me? Would you be Father to a soul that's been abandoned by a world too busy to heal? Could you be friend to our helpless survivors? Can you take away my fears? I've heard them all sharing this newfound conviction in them. Are you all that they make you to be? And just one more question, allow me this question. Could you be Messiah? Please be Messiah to me. Now I've been looking for someone like you, and I'm so tired, I'm tired. I've read every book, and I've sung every song. My mind may be right, but my heart feels so wrong. Tell me how much farther can my life go along? Which way the roads lead? Where do I belong? Are you forgiven of my most unknown secrets? Provider of all that I need. Could you be brother, the one who knows better? Would you now stand in the need when all is over? All the thunder and lightning in the daylight just one. Well, I see the answers to my questions, to all of my questions. Could you be Messiah to me? Could you be Messiah to me? Could you be Messiah?